How to buy PNL games token. So this token came under the symbol of PNL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, don't forget to go and check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. And this token, as you can see, it's trending number 23 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy this token address and open your funds mind for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also going to click on it and click on I understand. Now after that, here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, so this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on pricing. Now click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to see here swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PNL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.